Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Nite Nite from Fortnite. Let's get started at the top of our page with a curve for the lower edge of the hat. So we move over to the left side, we're going to draw a curve going up in the middle and then back down on the right side. Now from the ends we're going to draw two angled lines going up and out. Now let's draw the top edge of the brim. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve it down. Then we're going to go up in the middle, round it out, and then do the same thing on the right. So coming down and then up towards the right side. From these corners, we're going to draw a short angle line going up and in. Now we're going to trace this curve along the top. Starting from the left, just follow that all the way across towards the right. Let's add in the top of the hat. From this point here, we're going to curve it in and up. Now we're going to round this out and we'll go over towards the right side. Curving over to right about there. At the end, we're going to add a circle. Starting from the end of the line, it's going to go all the way around and then back in. At the bottom of the circle, we're going to draw a wrinkle, curving down and then over towards the left. Now about halfway along this curve, I'm going to come down and over towards the top corner on the right. Let's add some stripes. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve up and then back down on the right. We're going to step up and do the same thing. Just going over that wrinkle, over on the right side. Now let's move up and draw another one. We're going to curve this one down. Starting up here, we're going to curve over and then down, step up and draw that one more time. Now let's add in the hairline. Starting from the left side, we're going to draw a curve going out and then back in. We'll do the same thing on the right side. We'll do that one more time, curving out and then in. Now before we draw on the lower part of the head, I want to move up and draw on the eyes. So on the left side, we're going to draw a large circle. Starting from the top, work our way to the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now leaving a gap in the center, we'll do the same thing on the right. Lining up the top of the eye, drawing that large circle. Now inside the eyes, we're going to add a swirl. Starting from the side, I'm going to curve around. I'm just going to pull that in towards the center. Now I'm going to work my way back around. We're going to thicken this up. We're going to taper out, around, and then down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the inside, curve down, up in the middle, and then in. And then we'll taper that back all the way around, all the way down towards the bottom of the eye. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add a circle for the nose. Starting from the top, work our way around, and then back up. Let's add that detail on the top of the eye. Starting on the left side, we're going to leave a gap along the top of that eye, going around and then back in. We'll do the same thing on the right, going up and then down towards the side. Now from the end, I just want to taper it up towards the top and then down on the inside, but along the way we're going to add 3 spikes. So we're going to curve this up, we'll add an upside down V, continue that curve towards the middle, draw another upside down V, and we'll do that one more time. I'm just going to pull that in towards the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add one more curve along the top, down towards the nose. Starting on the left side, we're going to go up, in towards the hat brim, and then we'll pull that down towards the side of the nose. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Starting from the nose, we're going to curve up, over, and then down towards the side. Now in the center, we're going to add a curl of hair. Underneath the hat brim, we're going to curve down and up towards the left. Now we're going to taper this down and then up underneath the hat brim. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. Then we're going to start on the left side. We're going to curve down underneath the nose and back up on the right side. We're going to go down towards the lower part of the mouth, curving down. Now I'm going to bring this back up towards the right side. Now we're going to draw on the inside of the mouth. So we're just going to trace this on the inside. with an even spaced gap. Now we're going to add a top row of teeth. Starting on the left, we're going to draw an oval, coming down and up, so like a half oval, leaving a space. We'll continue all the way across towards the right side. Now in the corners of the mouth, we're going to draw a circle. Starting from the top, we're going to step in, go around the corner of the mouth, and pull that in. Now from here, we're going to draw in the lower part of the head. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve around the cheek. I'm going to pull this down underneath the lower lip, and then back up towards the right side and pull that in. Now let's go in and draw in the hair. Right where the hat meets the side of the head, curve out, round out the hair, and then pull that in and then down. Do the same thing on the right, curving down and out towards the right, curl, and then pull that in. Now we're going to thicken this up and come in towards the side of the cheek. Starting from the tip, go up, round this out, and then pull that in. Now we're going to add a little bit of texture to the hair. From this point, I'm going to curve out and up. Do the same thing on the bottom curve. Do the same thing on the right side. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start with the collar first. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a half circle, coming down and then up. We're going to step in and just trace that on the inside. Now let's move out and draw on the side of the body. From the left, we'll step out, curve out, and then down towards the left hip, and then the right hip. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down and then up. From the bottom center of the collar, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the waistline. Let's add a little bit of detail to the body. So on the inside on the left, we're going to draw a circle. And we're going to add a face. 2 dots along the top, a line across the center. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve coming down and up. And we'll just add some teeth. 2 short lines coming down. We're going to draw a half moon on the left side. Starting from the top, we'll go around the head, in, go back to the top, we're going to taper this out, and then back in towards the bottom. Now on the right side, we're going to add 2 patches. Starting from the top, we're going to draw an angled box, coming down on the top and bottom, and down the right side. Let's add some stitch lines. Along this top line, we're going to add 2 short lines, and add 2 lines on either side. Let's add a smaller patch down the bottom here. So a small square. Now along each side, we're going to add just 1 small line. We're going to continue working down with the belt. Starting on the left hip, we're going to round this out, curving out, and then in. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from the left, we're going to curve this in towards the center, coming down, and then as we get in towards the middle, we're going to round this out and pull this back up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add 2 belt loops. On the left, from the top, we're going to curve out and then back in. We step in, we'll draw that twice. Now we draw the opposite direction on the right side. Now in between the belt, right in the center, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the lower torso. We're going to draw a curve going across. Now on the left side, we're going to step in, curve out, and then down towards the left heel, curve out, and then down towards the right heel. From the heel, we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. From the left side, we're going to curve down, and then up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now right here, we're just going to square off the sole, going straight up with a short line. Now we're going to work our way back in towards the heel, following that same curve. Now we're going to draw on the top of the shoe. From this point, we're going to step in, curve up, and then down like a half circle. Now from the top of the foot, we're going to draw an angled line, going out and up towards the left, out and up towards the right. We're going to go straight across, coming in with a short line. Now we're going to come straight down towards the top of the foot. Now let's go underneath the belt. On the left side, we're gonna curve out and then down towards that shin guard. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's add a couple straps on the inside. From the top corner, we're gonna step down, curve down and up. Step down, we're gonna draw that twice. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're gonna step down again and add one more strap. That same curve. On the left leg, we're gonna add a strap going across the thigh. Starting on the outside of the leg, we're gonna curve in and then down. We'll step down and draw that same curve going across. Now we're gonna add some stripes in the left side pant. Underneath the belt, we're gonna step in, curve out, in behind the strap, and then down towards the shin guard. Step in, draw that same curve, coming down towards that first strap. Step in again, and we'll draw one more coming down. On the right side, we're gonna add a patch. So it's an angled square. Let's start with a straight line going across the top, coming down the sides, and then close off the bottom. Let's add those stitch lines. We're gonna add 2 short hash lines along the top, along the bottom, and then on the sides, we're just gonna add 1. Now we're gonna move back up and draw the balloons along the shoulder. Starting underneath the head, we're gonna step out, curve out, and then pull that in. Do the same thing on the right, curving out, pulling that in. We're gonna add 1 more balloon. From that point, we're gonna curve out, and then back in. Now let's add in the arms. From the bottom of this balloon, we're gonna step up, curve the inside of the arm going out, and then down, and go down towards the wrist. Back on the left side, let's add the thumb. So a small half circle. Now we're gonna connect the bottom of the thumb going up and in towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with a half circle for the thumb. We'll connect these 2 points with a curve. Now back on the left side. At the bottom of the thumb, we're gonna come down and then up. At the bottom of this finger, we're gonna curve the second finger going around. Now the third finger, we're gonna go all the way around the side of the arm and then in behind the head. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's separate out the fingers of the glove. Starting on the outside, we're gonna curve down and up. Do the same thing with the second finger, and then the index finger. Now let's add the edge of the glove. Starting from the wrist, we go out and curve this up. We're gonna step up, draw that same curve. Do the same thing on the right side. Now on the right arm, we're gonna add a star. Start with a point, come down on either side with an angled line, go straight across. Now we're just gonna pull this in with an angle towards the inside. Now we're gonna angle back down and out. Now from these 2 points, we're gonna come up towards the center. On the left side, we're gonna add a strap. Right where the arm meets the balloon, we're gonna curve up and then out. We'll step up. We'll curve that back in behind the balloon. Let's add the knot. From the side of the arm, we're gonna curve up and over. Now we're gonna curve in the opposite direction, back in behind the arm. We're gonna draw 1 more. We're gonna go across this time. Come down and in behind the arm. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Nite Nite from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.